So here we are in other part of the shop, back rooms, and this is like place Shelby can explain.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the packing room. This is where we will pack a lot of the materials and ship it all over the world. So anytime someone goes online and does an order, this is the room where we pack it. And I wanted to show the laser engraver.
You can see
here.
behind us the laser. And
so we have a computer right over here where we will do a lot of the design work, and the design, just like a printer, will be sent over to this machine. And then if you zoom in here, you can see, I can show it to the camera. So this is how a different quote, and this quote says, "Bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us."
So this machine would write this.
Yep, with a laser, it'll actually cut it out. You can see little smoke coming from the wood as it burns into the wood. And then the extra pieces, you can see some of the extra pieces of wood will fall down between these grates. It's a very expensive machine, but we make hundreds and hundreds of products and laser engrave, whether it's jewelry or our Christmas ornaments or other products.
They send all over USA and around the world.
Yep. You can also personalize the messages, so you can have a verse, a favorite verse. You can have your family name. You can do pretty much anything.
Yeah, anything you can write on that, like longer enough that can be fit there.
Yep.
Oh, that's
That's a little more.
Yeah.
You can explain this. We were talking earlier about this one, right?
Yep.
Now we can see working.
So there's the laser on a picture frame.
Hi.
She designs it on the computer, and then it goes to here. So you can actually see the smoke coming and the light of the laser there. It goes really fast when it does the little comma. This will be a celebration for a friend of ours that just had a baby, and so it'll give her name. It'll give the details of when she was born, October 5th, 2022. And there it is. She will shut the machine off.
And there is design on it.
So it went from the design on the computer. There it is.
Yes.